So this is the Moto 360, the smartwatch I have been wearing for the past 4 years and has worked completely fine, except the back is starting to scratch and crack, and it's starting to get a little buggy and slow. So since I upgraded to a Galaxy S8 smartphone, I decided it's time to get a Samsung branded smartwatch. Inside this box is Samsung's Gear S3 smartwatch along with a Milanese loop style band, just like the Apple Watch. So what's inside the box? Is it worth it? Should you upgrade from a Moto 360 or an older smartwatch to something like the Gear S3, which I picked up for Black Friday for around 279 Canadian dollars. Before we answer all those questions, let's unbox it and check it out. So let's crack it open. So I actually picked this up for Black Friday and it was about $70 off. And I always want to upgrade this watch to a Milanese loop style band, but because the way the watch was designed, I could never do that. But now I can. Let's just crack this open. Inside we have the Gear S3 Frontier, and also we have the actual band itself, and that's it. Alright, at the front as you can see, Gear S3 Frontier, and it's a circular box, just like the Moto 360 box. In fact, here is the box that came with the Moto 360. As you can see, it's a circular box, just like the S3. Putting that to the side. Let's crack this open. Alright, cracking it open from the side, and the box is open. Opening it up for the first time ever, we have the watch sitting in its charging bay. So this is the watch itself, the S3 Frontier. We have the charging dock right here. So you can actually just route the wire through the back, and you can use this as a little charging station on your desk. Inside the box we have a micro USB cable, not USB-C unfortunately. And inside we have a power adapter along with a user manual. And a smaller band if the band does not fit you. Putting the box to the side, we have the magnetic charger. And the watch. Ooh, okay. And this is the initial band that you get with the watch. Let's try it on. It's not too bad. It's pretty comfortable. Yeah, it's alright. While that's loading up, let's try on the Milanese loop style band. So that's the band itself. Crack open this box. Pulling it out. Here we have it. Let's just change the bands. And inside the box, you actually get the pieces required to attach the band. Alright, we run into a little problem. This is terrible. One side fits the band, the other side doesn't. Like, it literally won't fit the watch itself. So for now, I think I'm going to just leave these bands on. I'm very disappointed in the company that made them. On the bright side, hey, new watch. Let's power it on and see what it's about. Taking a look at the Frontier. As you can see, this wheel is just very clicky, and I'm gonna set it up and I'll be right back. Alright, and that's it. We have the Gear S3 all set up, working perfectly fine. I'm gonna be using it over the next week or so until the Milanese loop comes in, and then I'm gonna try that on, see my full opinion, and trust me, a full review is coming of this watch along with the Galaxy S8 review. I think I might make them a 2-in-1 kind of review. I don't know. Is that something you're interested in? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up down below. The Gear S3 is an amazing smartwatch and it's still worth it here in 2018. Full review coming soon. Thanks for watching. This is TSP, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.